Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get brittle marble shard grounded. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any flying debris. A dust mask is also crucial to prevent inhaling fine marble particles, which can be harmful. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated, perhaps by opening windows or using a fan to keep the air clear and safe for breathing. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need. A rotary tool equipped with various diamond bits is essential for this task. Make sure your work surface is stable and non-slip to prevent accidents. It's also very important to have a small container of water nearby. This water will be used to cool both the marble and your grinding bit, preventing overheating and potential damage. When you're ready to grind, begin with a coarse grit diamond bit to remove material efficiently. Apply only light, consistent pressure. Letting the tool do the work prevents chipping and cracking. Remember to frequently dip both the marble shard and the diamond bit into your water container. This cooling step is critical for preventing heat buildup, which can damage the marble and shorten the life of your bit. To achieve a smooth finish, gradually switch to finer grit diamond bits. Take your time with these steps, as patience will yield the best results. Once you've reached your desired smoothness, thoroughly clean the marble shard to remove any dust or residue. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks, along with other great deals and resources mentioned in this video. Enjoy your newly grounded marble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.